Brandon has a situation where his friend was hit by a car last weekend. He was crossing the street, was not in the crosswalk. He didn't see the car coming. Would he be able to collect from the driver, or is he out of luck because perhaps he was jaywalking and not following the law?
Sure. So this is one of these law school questions where the professor gets to sit up there and smirk and go, it depends, but it actually does depend on a lot of things. Okay. Was he a foot outside the crosswalk? Was he walking at an angle towards the crosswalk? Or was the driver drunk, speeding, trying to get away from the police when he hit the person? So a lot of factors need to be considered in deciding whether or not he can recover, because there's something called comparative negligence. And yes, you should be able to, drive and watch what's going on in front of you and avoid a pedestrian that walks out into the road and is standing out in the middle of the road. You should be able to brake or, miss them. Okay. But the law isn't going to hold you to an impossible standard and expect you to be able to miss someone that just jumps out from behind a bunch of parked cars, not anywhere near a crosswalk when you weren't expecting, or a drunk person that stumbles out into the road, not even looking. And so you really have to look at the specific facts in the case for me to be able to answer. So it depends on the specific facts of that case. I had this case, but in my case, the person driving was drunk. So I was able to recover for my client in that case.